Hello everyone, I hope you all had a great weekend. Last week we were in Austria, as you know, and so we've still got, even this week we're still doing a little bit of the Alpine mountain chic theme. So I'll be posting you the search results on our design and travel guide of Alpine chic designed hotels and restaurants. So I'm sure you will enjoy that, or if you can't wait until Wednesday, you can go on the website yourself and just type in the search field mountain chic, and then you'll get the search results worldwide. So that's that. Then we'll do a hotel on Thursday. We tested it last week. Well, shall I say, we were already there a year ago, and so we did another review this year, and it still deserves to be on our guide. So I'll be giving you all the details on Thursday. And on Friday, typical to the Austrian theme, a nice recipe. And then this week, Halloween. So if you haven't done so already, maybe you should start carving your pumpkins ready for Halloween. And then to the theme of no waste, don't forget, from the pumpkin flesh you can make really nice dishes. So today I'm going to make a nice pumpkin and orange soup. I'll be giving you the recipe shortly. And then not just the flesh from the pumpkin, but also the pumpkin seeds can be used as well. So try those and use them on salads or soups for a nice decoration or a healthy snack. So that's this week's preview, and I'll be posting you some nice things during the week, and next week we'll carry on with a new theme. I wonder what that could be. Christmas coming up. So take care, and I'll see you around. Bye, and don't forget the pumpkin.